Roman was great.
He was very energetic.
Very entertaining, very energetic, and very educational.
His presentation was extremely in-depth. It was very knowledgeable, and it's things that I definitely will need in my business at all times.
These forms are supposed to match. The buyer's form is supposed to match the seller's form. They don't get filed at the sale. They get filed with your end-of-year tax return. If your seller doesn't file the same allocation as your buyer, what's going to happen? You're going to get an audit. It's not just an audit. They have the right to determine the fair market value of the asset. What do I want to allocate to as a seller? Book value, not fair market value. And now I've opened up the door, so don't wait till closing to figure this out.
We brought Roman to our event because our events are all about education, and Roman brought so much value to a subject that most people would find pretty boring. He was really entertaining, and he helped us to understand much, much more about tax planning and what we need to do with our buyers and sellers.
Depending upon when the company was formed, and again, you may have an asset deal in front of you, but depending on when the company was formed, you may be able to sell that company completely tax-free. If I put it into an opportunity zone fund in 20 years from now, they take it out, they have no tax, none whatsoever. It's called a deemed distribution. When the deal is over, the seller has to be treated as if the company was dissolved and all the assets were distributed back to the seller.
Roman brought so much value to all of our associates. He helped them to understand, and I would highly recommend Roman to anyone that's looking for someone that brings a subject like taxes to life.
I say, okay, 50 is personal goodwill to my seller, and 50 goes to the company. What have I done? This avoids 21%. This is only taxed as capital gains to my seller.